Hello, good morning. It's Tuesday the 14th. I'm FX Blue and this is the market brief. The Bank of England is expected to raise rates by another 25 basis points despite yesterday's GDP data showing the economy has started to contract. GDP posted minus 0.3 in April and both manufacturing and industrial output also fell. Naturally, we're going to have some doom mongers saying the economy is in free fall from here, but steady on there. It's only minus 0.3% so far. However, there is a firm expectation that Q3 will mark the beginning of the UK recession. Given the state of the economy, the slowdown could easily continue into next year. And where the Bank of England needs to raise rates further to curb rising inflation, that will only accelerate the economic decline. Inflation doesn't look so transitory now, does it? The base rate will rise to 1%, which is the highest that we've seen in more than a decade. Historically, that's still to the lower end of the spectrum for the UK, but after such a long period of low rates, the economy will need to adjust. In the market, sterling took a pounding. Get it? Because sterling is the pound. Never mind. Chat like that's hardly going to match the view count from when I fell off this bloody thing, is it? 32k and counting, by the way. Maybe I should send it to You've Been Framed and cash in along the way. Anyway, I digress. Sterling fell to about 121 against the dollar, and we open around 116.80 against the euro this morning. Over in the US, Biden's been on. He says that the US has the fastest growing economy in the G20. I think he might be stretching it a little bit. The wider sense is very much that activity is slowing and pessimism is creeping into consumer confidence. That may be the normal reaction to the Fed hiking rates every month. I mean, it doesn't really give the impression that they know how much rates need to rise to get things under control, does it? Indeed, there is current debate over whether we'll see another 50 basis points or whether the Fed will stretch it to 75 basis points at the next meeting. And of course, gasoline prices went above $5 a barrel, which is an unavoidable headline. And many commentators put the chance of a recession by year end at about 50-50 at the moment. But against that backdrop, the dollar index is posting gains again after a few weeks of consolidation. Yesterday we crossed back over the 105 level for the first time in a month. We topped out at 105.30 and euro dollar opens down below 105. We opened this morning around 104.40. Right, that's it from me. Glorious day out there. Do get out and enjoy the sun if you can. Join me again tomorrow.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FX Blue.